Hey everyone, if you made it this far in my videos for the home office tour, this is the conclusion. So I hope you really enjoyed everything that I put together. Again, it was just a tour of the office that I use, some of the lab tools that I have, and just what I do here in the office. So I know a lot of you right now are dealing with work from home, and many of you are looking for ways to become educated on different cybersecurity tools that are out there. So, a couple quick notes about what I've done. So, first of all, everything that I recorded as far as the screen and the camera angle here, all was done using QuickTime Player actually. And then all the editing except for section two or episode two or whatever you want to call it was done on my iPad. And that was just because I had a little bit of a learning curve with video formats. Um, so anyway, a real easy setup. So any of you that want to do this sort of thing, if you have any questions about it, reach out to me. I by no means am an expert and seem to learn a little bit every time that I do one of these. So thanks for joining in. Now let's talk about what's coming in the future. So what I wanted to do, I'll give you kind of a sneak peek. I want to do an interview series with people that are in the cybersecurity space. So if you happen to be a person in cybersecurity, you'd like me to feature you, I'd be more than happy to. It's not going to be specific to one company or organization. So I really do want to get a cross gambit of the whole kind of environment. So as it stands now, obviously I have a lot of contacts within my own organization, so it'll probably be a little dominated by my own organization, but do definitely want to get outside of that and meet a bunch of other people, do some interviews, and let you guys get a sense for what path people took to get in the cybersecurity space. So that'll be coming. I'm probably going to say that's going to be at least a week or so. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, leave some comments. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks so much. Appreciate it, everyone. Stay safe.